Hey guys, welcome back to Life on Greenwood. Hey, I thought I'd do a little cooking today, so if you're interested, come along with me and watch me make these homemade gravy with turkey meatballs, starting with just putting a little vegetable oil in a pan and cutting up like half an onion. Then I'm going to use, let that really heat up, and then sprinkle in some all-purpose flour. I think I used about half a cup of all-purpose flour. And just sprinkle it in there a little bit at a time and stir it and sprinkle and stir and sprinkle and stir. By the way, I'm using a new pot that I got from Amazon. I love this pot. It's got the anti-scald handle so you can grab that and not burn your hand. It was awesome. So I'm adding in about a cup of water, just a little at a time. Just sprinkle it in, stir, sprinkle the water in, stir. But I used about a cup of water. And just stir this up. I'm using a heaping tablespoon of minced garlic. You know, garlic makes everything better, right? Right? I put garlic on just about everything. I gotta tell you, I really do. What you don't see me do here, and I did off camera, was I put a beef bouillon cube in there, just one, just for a little flavoring, and some onion powder, and a pepper, and about a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now I'm adding these turkey meatballs. Now, turkey meatballs are already cooked. They're fully cooked when you buy them. So that's what makes this so easy. You just dump your turkey meatballs in there, into the gravy, let them heat up, stirring this gravy, making sure the gravy is covering your meatballs, and it is so easy to cook. And about this pot, this saucepan, I'm going to leave the link to it in the description box. It's a great pot. I love this. I just got this recently, and I like the fact that it comes with a vented lid, which I'll put on later on, and you'll see that. Cleans up really nicely too. But these meatballs and this homemade gravy, it's the easiest thing to make. I at the end paired it with some carrots that I had cooked later on. I cooked some caramelized carrots, and I had that. So tell me how you make your homemade gravy. Is it similar to this? Because this was so easy. This was so easy. Let me hear from you. Thanks guys for stopping by our Life on Greenwood, and I'll see you in the next one. Yummy.